Higgsfield AI has gained attention among AI video creation platforms because of its focus on cinematic visuals, advanced motion control, and creator-oriented production tools. Compared to many well-known AI video generators, Higgsfield positions itself as a more flexible content creative environment that is designed for visually dynamic storytelling rather than only automated marketing content or the template-driven clips. One area where Higgsfield stands out is its combination of cinematic controls and multi-model workflows. While platforms like Runway and Pika Labs are known for fast AI video generation and editing, Higgsfield places stronger emphasis on camera movement, scene pacing, transitions, and visual continuity. This makes it appealing for creators that are producing gaming edits, cinematic shorts, music visuals, and social media storytelling content. Compared with tools such as Synthesia or Creatify, which focuses heavily on AI avatars and that business-oriented video production, Higgsfield leans more towards the cinematic creativity and the stylized visual direction. The platform also supports integrated AI effects, scene editing, and advanced motion workflows that also help creators build more immersive content. Another reason why Higgsfield continues attracting attention is its pricing structure. Many creators compare AI video tools not only by features, but also by how accessible their plans are for the regular content creator or the regular content production. Higgsfield offers tiered pricing options that scale depending on generation limits, model access, rendering quality, and advanced creative tools. This gives the users flexibility to explore AI video production at different levels, while also accessing features associated with cinematic content creation. For creators comparing multiple AI platforms, pricing has become an important factor alongside visual quality, work flexibility, and overall production capabilities. For more contents like this, consider subscribing. I upload a lot of videos that talk about AI tools, so I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.